To begin, I'm gonna prime my eyes using a concealer. So now I'm setting the concealer. I'm using, again, Popping palette. Taking a deep burgundy color, we want to create like a sideways V in or inner and outer corner. Don't worry about blending yet. We just want to like lay down the color and creating the shape. I'm so afraid because it's such a dark color, and any mistake you can just see it. So we want to create that on our top eyelid, and then we want to mirror the same kind of effect on the bottom one. Hello eye shape. Edges. Color switch ready to clean your brush. Using a deeper purple eggplant kind of color, we want to deepen the inner and outer corner of our sideways V. Kind of looks like that. Now it looks like that. And next we're going to take this color right here. Yep. Maybe out of focus. This vintage gold color, we want it to be the bridge between the purple and the middle color that we're going to use. Now, we work on the middle part of the eye. if you notice any kind of like lighting changes because I had to take a break. My camera got overheated again, always happens. And then so I took the time to review the footage that I've taken and to watch some of Michelle Phan's old videos, and I feel so nostalgic. I loved those as a kid when I was watching those when they first came out. I'm just like, feeling happy and warm inside. Okay, so after I reviewed my footage, I realized that the purple parts of my eyes are not like completely even, but I think we can like just work on it later, or maybe even like now, because I think that the middle parts of our eyes are just like done, except I need to like add them on the under eye too. So we're gonna do that now, taking the vintage gold. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, man, my videos are kind of like heavily inspired by Michelle's. I mean, I know like production wise I'm still like very far from her type of quality, but it's a huge part, you know, of my influence. So now that the top and bottom part of the eyes are even, I'm gonna revisit the outer corners and try to like make them more even. Hopefully they now match, because the next step we're going to get that Colibri bird effect by adding like a shimmery purple around the corners of our eyes. So adding a grape color, oh my god, it's kind of hard to like show you, but it's this color right here. Sure they're in focus, because when I reviewed my footage I realized like a good chunk of my footage is not in focus, especially it's one of like the important parts, which is sucks. Of our eyeshadow. So now I want to re-intensify whatever's going on the middle parts of the eye. Especially the vintage gold part. Even though it's like very tiny part, I think it's important in creating like the full kind of gradient that we want. Okay, I think I'm finished with the eyeshadow. Well, except I want to add something. I want to add this Super Shock Cheek by ColourPop. And for the eyeliner, I'm just going to highlight the top and bottom waterline. onto the face and the brows and the lip, because it's such a dramatic look. I feel like it needs to be clean on the under eye at least. So that's what I'm gonna do. Any type of blemishes. Move on to the brows. I did my lashes off camera because my camera died again because it got overheated, and now we want to do like the rest of the face like quickly. Next I'm just gonna do the brows. I'm using this Purbasari because it's really cheap and it's just the right amount of like, you know, hardness, right amount of pigment, and I love it. Oh, just like wild. Okay, so now we filled in the brows. Some soap. I load up my brush and spoolie like this. I want to wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I want to like really sculpt and shape the brows with it. And now I think I'm feeling pretty good with the brows. Quickly continue to the face. So I'm thinking about like a pink or like a nude, but I don't have a nude lipstick right now. I know, like shocking, right? But let's just try this shiny pink lipstick. So my camera died again because of overheat. I know that sucks. It's just like, that's just the hard part of filming videos. I mean, that's just like one of the reasons why I rarely ever put up content, because it's just so painful trying to like film in one sitting. So off camera, I added some highlighter. I also added some powder under my eyes to just like mattify things up and then make it look smooth. And then I ended up using the shiny sheer pink lipstick because I think it just looks so refreshing and cute. Here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.